Welcome to this week's video, and we're checking out this brilliant £2 coin from the Royal Mint, which is actually the first £2 coin to have its own bunk pack for 2020, and this is the VE Day or Victory in Europe Day £2 coin, and this is how it arrived when I bought it from the Royal Mint website in the Royal Mint handbag, front and back. But of course I'm going to do my usual thing now where I open mine up, so that if you've got this and want to see how it's all presented inside, then that's exactly what I'm here for. And there we have it, with the packaging taken away. See it a lot better now. So that's the front, and again the back. But I'm going to do my usual thing now where I just scan through all of the information inside, and if I am moving too quickly, then feel free to pause it and have a read at your own pace. I think it's worth just showing off those two pages together quickly because of that awesome image of St. Paul's Cathedral in the middle. Joyful celebrations. Germany's surrender was announced and broadcast by radio late on the 7th of May 1945, with a national holiday declared for the following day. Winston Churchill had gained assurances from the Ministry of Food that there were enough beer supplies in the capital, and the Board of Trade announced that people could purchase red, white and blue bunting without using ration coupons. However, many people didn't wait for the official day of celebration, and that evening bonfires were lit, people danced and pubs filled with revellers. And then we get a little bit of information about the coin designer, so that's Dominique Evans. And then we just come back round to the back and the front. So let's check out the coin specs. So of course it's a £2 coin. The inner alloy is copper nickel. The outer alloy is nickel brass. The weight is 12 grams, diameter 28.40 millimeters. Obverse designer Jody Clark, reverse designer Dominique Evans, and then the edge inscription just triumph and proud sorrow. And then of course the quality is brilliant uncirculated. And there we have it. So that's all of the information before we get onto the coin itself. So what we've got is a commemorative £2 coin that marks the 75th anniversary of VE Day. Encapsulating the joy of a generation, it recalls a day of national celebration when the Second World War in Europe finally came to an end. So let's now get onto the coin itself. As usual, we'll start off with the obverse of the coin. So nothing different. Of course, we have Jody Clark's fifth portrait of the Queen. And now the reverse of the coin. So we've got Victory written in the middle, Victory in Europe Day along the bottom, and then at the very top the dates 1945 to 2020. So the image itself is just brilliant. Just with the images in the background here of the people celebrating, just been encapsulated onto the coin really well. Just people celebrating, which I think you'll all agree is a fantastic design. There we have it, the 2020 Victory in Europe Day £2 coin from the Royal Mint. Now I want to know in the comments section below, what do you think of this coin? Have you got it? And if so, did you just get the brilliant uncirculated version, or did you maybe go for the gold proof or the silver proof? I'm still waiting to see somebody that's actually got the gold proofs. So like I said, leave that in the comment section below because it always interests me. If you're new around here, why not hit that subscribe button, because I release new coin content weekly. Thanks for watching.